Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use generative fill on Pixelcut.ai. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Pixelcut.ai. We want to use their generative fill feature. And if you just go down over here, you will see they have edits. And under edits, we will see the expand. All right, you're going to go and click on this and let's go and upload an image. Righto, so we have our image being uploaded currently. And it will just be a few seconds and we will be able to expand it. All right, so here we are. And what we maybe want to do on the right-hand side, we have the reframe tab, and you can manually change the resolution or the size of the image. And then you can also lock the orientation or the width to height so that it's the same. But what we want to do is use this drop-down menu and use one of the pre-sizes. So for example, 16:9, you will see now, this image will expand out on the left and the right. If you're using 9:16, it will expand that way. So let's go ahead and we are going to expand it this way. And let's click on generate. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this has been extended and it's actually been done pretty well. You can now go up to the top right hand side. You can click on download and you will have your image downloaded.